Hello friends, today I am here to give you one important answer regarding one important question, that is how frequently or how often we have to clear our mind. We have to clean our mind. To understand the answer, first we have to understand the importance of cleaning mind. If you go from one person to another person, or if you move from one particular situation to another particular situation, say office to home, home to office, what are we going to do? We will be carrying your mind from office to home, home to office, or from one person to another person. That means if you carry your mind, whatever the suppressions were there in the earlier place or with earlier persons, sufferings, tensions, pressures, all that you will be carrying to the next moment, to the next place or to the next person. So whenever you go to that person or place, you will be acting based on the current mindset, whichever you have. If it is happy mindset, that is very good, no problem, there will be no issues with that. If it is having a lot of issues, if you are worried, if you are tensed, if you are having angry inside, then you will try to react with the same mindset at the next moment with the next person. So it is very, very important to clear the current mindset and move to the next situation. So my dear friends, so if you can understand the importance of this, how frequently you are carrying your presence to one moment to another moment, you can take a decision how frequently you have to clear your mind. I personally suggest that every day morning, whenever you are trying to move from home to office, if possible, morning at least half an hour to 1 hour you have to take out time to clear your mind. That is by doing meditation or by sitting with nature. With a clear mindset, if you are going to office or your business, you will be very much comfortable. You will be calm from inside. You will be confident and energetic from inside. So whatever the work you are going to do there will be very well, and it will be giving you a lot of good reasons. And at the end of the day, that means say when you are going to sleep around 9 or 10 o'clock, you have to do again meditation or do something so that you clear your pressures of that particular day, entire day. If you clear the pressures, if you go to sleep, you will have sound sleep. You will get good sleep and you will get enough energy through sleep. The next day will be very much comfortable for you. These are at least 2 times you have to do. If possible, you have to do this kind of practice, that is clearing mind, every 1 hour, or at least when you are moving from one place to another place. See, if you are moving from office to home, take break in between, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes is enough, maximum of 5 minutes. Take break, you can take coffee or tea and remove all the pressures which were there in your office and go home with fresh mindset. Even in between office also, maybe during lunchtime or during tea break, you can do this kind of practice. Consciously you can sit and relax yourself and remove the existing burdens in the mind, existing weight in the mind. With that, when you go to the boss or when you go to your colleague, whomsoever you meet, you will be happy, you will be energetic. So at least per day 2 times, that is morning and evening, in between 2 or 3 times, or if possible every 1 hour, or whenever you are going to one person to another person, in between take 1 or 2 minutes. That is minimum 3 to 5 times per day you have to practice this. That is clearing mindset. You may or may not be able to do meditation or sit in nature because you are somewhere in office. You can sit relaxedly at your desk itself, at your table, and clear the mind consciously. Remove the thoughts, pressures, worries, whatever it is, just clear and go to the next person or next task. So my dear friends, kindly practice this for a few days. You will have to understand the effect of this, and you will be very happy, you will be tensionless, you will be free from all the pressures which you are carrying from one place to another place. Because if you carry from one place to another place all the pressures, your pressures will become double, they will increase, and you will go and disturb other people also, whomsoever maybe you are meeting. For no reason you will be disturbing. So practice this. If you like this, share this video to your friends, give your comments, give your feedback. Thank you very much.